Candy here again with Crazy 8's Life, and I have my February Boxycharm unboxing. So let's get into this box and see what we've got. Not familiar with it, and if you want to try Boxycharm, then the description of Boxycharm will be below. There will also be a discount link in the description below so that you can get a discount on your first Boxycharm box. Now, right now, let's see what we got in this February box. All right, we got a iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette. Here's the packaging. And this retails for $55. And it has 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lift from within glow. And highlight shades for a flattering candle-lit radiance. Let's look inside here and check these shades out. Okay. So here's the palette. It's got some blushes. It says bronzing and contouring. So looks like a nice universal palette. I think that I will get lots of use out of that. The next thing we're going to have is another palette, Hip Dot. I don't know how to pronounce this. Cenote Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of Cenote, and a homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. This retails for $30. And I honestly don't really need any more palettes. So I don't know if I'll use this or if I'll save it for a gift or a giveaway or something. We'll see. Has pretty colors. Anyways. Okay, and the next item we're going to have is a Luxie Glitter and Gold Brush Set. And it says offering a complete range of brushes. It comes in this cute little brush bag here. Let me see if I can just open it. Open it up. Look at all those brushes. So let's see. It says for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending, this set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. I don't know what holiday look I'm doing right now. Maybe this was for Valentine's Day, which is over, but it is a nice brush set anyways. There's all kinds of stuff in there. Definitely use that. That retails for $85. All right, and the next and last, all right, so the next item and the last item, which I thought Boxycharm always had 5 items, but this box has 4 items. And the last item is this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss tinted, I don't know how to say this, Capuacu lip butter. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with delicious blend of Capuacu butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leite. Retails for $20. I feel like I've had this before. So I've had the body butters, which I really like. It's a real light kind of pink, or almost like a nude pink here. So it looks like a good color, a nice kind of neutral color. I do, for some reason, this packaging looks right, but I don't remember getting this brand before. So there is that. And that's it for this BoxyCharm. This February BoxyCharm unboxing. And let me know what you think of the products. Let me know if you tried BoxyCharm, if you got different items, what was in yours. Like I said, it was $25 for the box, and it looks like $190 is what the card says the value of this box would be. So let me know if you think this was worth $190. I only paid $25, so if it was worth $25, I guess. And what your favorite items in the box were, or what you could do without. I honestly feel like I have lots of palettes right now. I could probably do without them, but they were nice palettes anyways. So that's it, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.